This is an M60 tank, and the machine gun firing is the 7.62 millimeter M73. This machine gun is used primarily on tanks and is coaxially mounted with the main gun. The M73 machine gun is a lightweight, air-cooled weapon. It is recoil-operated with a gas assist and is completely automatic. The M73 has a quick-change barrel. Just swing down the receiver far enough to expose the chamber, and wearing a protective asbestos glove, pull out the hot barrel. The new barrel is just as easy to insert. It has a fixed head space which requires no adjustment. Swing back the receiver, lock in place, and start to load. The M73 machine gun weighs 28 pounds and is 34 3/4 inches long from the flash hider to the backplate of the receiver. The muzzle velocity is approximately 2,800 feet per second. The chamber pressure 50,000 pounds per square inch, and it has a maximum range of 3,750 meters. Its cyclic rate of fire is between 450 and 500 rounds per minute, and it is fed from a disintegrating metallic link belt from either the left or right side. The M73 fires the standard 7.62 millimeter NATO cartridge, slightly shorter and lighter than the caliber 30 cartridge. This weapon fires 3 types of ammunition: ball, armor-piercing, and tracer, linked for field use in a ratio of 4 ball or armor-piercing to 1 tracer. The M73 machine gun is mounted to the left of the main gun mount of the M60 tank by a clamp, which is fastened to the mount by 2 Allen head screws. The only other connection is the cable to the tank's electrical system used to operate the solenoid which fires the gun. To clear the weapon before handling it for any purpose, push forward on the cover latch rod, raise the cover and the feed tray, then pull the charging handle to the rear. Set the safety on safe. Check to make sure no round is left in the chamber. Then place the safety on fire. Press the trigger, allowing the barrel extension to move forward. You are now ready to load the weapon. First, lower the feed tray. Then charge the weapon by pulling the charging handle to the rear. Set the safety on safe. Make sure the open side of the link faces down and place the ammunition belt in the feedway. Close the cover to prevent the belt from falling out of the feedway. Set the safety on fire, and the gun is ready to fire. This weapon fires from the open bolt position. Since the M73 is coaxially mounted with the main gun, it has no sights of its own. If adjustments are to be made, they must be done by bore sighting with the main gun. The M73 can be fired electrically from the gunner's position or the tank commander's position. The gun can also be fired manually by pressing the trigger on the back plate of the receiver. The gun continues to fire as long as the trigger is depressed.